Next, the length of each side of a cubical box is 2.4 meters. Therefore, its volume is dash cubic centimeters. Here, it is in meters and this you wanted in centimeters. That's the only catch. Remaining problem is easy. Cubical box means simple cube with equal height, breadth and width. Means all length, breadth and height same. So that is basically cube. So what will be the volume of that? Length into breadth into height. So same, multiply it. You will get 13.824 cubic meters or meter cube. But do you want it in meter cube? You want it in centimeter cube actually. So keep it as it is, 13.824 into what is 1 meter and centimeter relationship? 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So take it in bracket 100 centimeter cube. Okay. So now it is 13.824 into 100 means 10 raised to 2 and this is 3. This multiplication 2 into 3 6. 10 raised to 6 centimeter cube. Right? Laws of indices. Okay. I think so you had it in 7th also. This laws of indices. Yeah. So 10 raised to 6 centimeter cube. So that is the given answer. Or if in the exam it is given as 10 raised to 7, generally whenever we write something into 10 raised to n point over here, we take the point to the first place and add zeros over here. So when this point moves to the left, here 1 0 will be added. So it will be 1.3824 into 10 raised to 7 centimeter cube. So this is the required answer. Next, the smallest number by which 390